Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you where you can get your authentic JAMB past questions, okay, with their answers, the solution, the explanation, and it's on the DTW JAMB CBT app. This is how it looks like, okay. You can download it on Google Play Store, on your Apple Play Store. It will soon be out, okay. So this is how you can get your past questions here. Just come to Practice for UTME and you see all your past questions: English, accounts, Arabic, biology, chemistry. Can you see all your subjects for the JAMB exam is here? Your Lekki Headmaster is here. Yoruba, can you see PHE, Fine Art, Literature, Geography is here. Home economics if you're doing it, okay. And you might ask, okay, how do I know the years? Look at the years here. When you click on it that you want to sit for it, you just come here. You see, that's me, you want to practice. You see all the years here and you select which year you want. Can you see how easy this is? Instead of flipping your paper book, we have typed everything in the paper book into the app. That's why technology is here to make everything efficient for us, okay. Now, how do you sit for do a timed exam? You come here, click biology. Let's say you're doing biology. You can select which year you want. There's also an option of you selecting if it's a particular topic you want to study, but don't worry, I'm going to come to that. All right, this is chemistry. Let's say you have physics. You select physics, you click continue. This is how you enter exam mode. All right, so here you can always put the timer. I always tell my students in my online classes to always practice under 1 hour 30 minutes. Always do that, please, okay, before your exam. Practice. And I know why. We're having a seminar today, so you can join our Facebook group or WhatsApp group or Telegram group to join us, okay. Last week I taught on how to guess your objective intelligently. Now we are doing another seminar today by 9, so please join the group so you get the link to join. So this is how you put your timer. Now on the exam mode, we have 3 modes that you can pick from. There's practice mode, there's study mode. Now, let me just quickly explain. Practice mode is where you are timed and at the end you see your results. For study mode, there's no timing. And in the practice, you can see your results immediately. I will show you where that's important. Mock, there is timed, you don't get any correction. Okay, so let's say we're using practice mode. So we click start. All right. Can you see your chemistry? All right, there are diagrams. In case you are wondering, are there diagrams? Do they show diagrams? Yes, the digital app shows diagrams. There are diagrams. All right, can you see that? Now, well, let's say we submit. I want to show you how you see your correction. So it shows you all your results. It shows you where you're failing and all that, the topic, so you know where to revise on. And when go a space back, you see your explanation. Can you see that the explanation for each of the questions? Can you see the explanation? Go into each and every one of them, you see the explanation, okay. You see the explanation. So this is how in the practice mode. Now let's quit this exam. Let me show you the study mode and let me show you a particular feature. Let's say in physics we want to practice only things on capacitor. All right, so I click on just capacitor. Let's say you finish reading capacitor and you just want questions on capacitor. I come here, I don't pick 1 year. If I pick 1 year, it will give me only maybe 2 questions. Come down to random. Random means it will pick from several years and give you 40 questions. You can pick 50 if you want. All right, click continue. We select what we go to study mode. Let me show you the importance of study mode too. You go click start. All right, let's go to that physics that we pick. All right, so you can see physics now gave us 40 questions and everything here is on capacitor. Can you see everything here? Capacitor. Come here, everything is capacitor. And for the study mode, you can see it is not timed. So you can always, let's say you try it. You first try it. It's not that you just open the answer. Try it first. After you've studied something, try it. You try it first. Then if you don't get it, then you now show. You get my point. You show the correction. So when you do this, you are done. You use the study mode to try all this. Then you can now put yourself under practice on this same topic that you selected. Do you see how wonderful this app is? Please do get it. To access all the features in this app, it costs 4,000 naira. All right. Some people ask me, why is it free, ma? Please, we pay to do this. We pay developers. We host this on a server to give you your result. There are several wonderful features on it. There's AI Tutor. So please, it's not free. And you also ask, is this scam? It is not scam. My details are here. About DT, look at my WhatsApp, look at my email. All right, so you can always contact me WhatsApp me. This same number is on my TikTok, is on my YouTube, so it is me. It is not scam. It's 4,000 naira. All right. You might say, oh, it's expensive. How much is your paper book that you have to be flipping? Paper book is like 6,000 naira, and this is 4,000, and you have all your subjects in it, and you can navigate it. Please, it is 35 days to JAMB exam. Get this and time yourself. Start practicing, start studying, start revising. Okay. If you want to join our online classes, you are also welcome. All right. So this is how you get your authentic JAMB past questions and solutions from all the way from 1992 till date. All right, so you are destined to win, and don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, and he loves you. Jesus loves you. Come to him today. You are blessed and you are destined to win. See you in our next video. I'll be sharing with you other features on the app. Okay, thank you.